How to fix bad image 0xc0000006 error in Windows. 1. Run Windows program install troubleshooter. Hint, choose the F error 0xc0000006 occurred for. 2. Run deployment imaging and system file scans. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/scan healthdism/online/cleanup image/check healthdism/online/cleanup image/restore health 3. Run an antivirus scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 4. Register the DLL specified in 0xc0000006 error message. Command, rex for32c/windows/system32/DLL file name. 5. Reinstall the software for which the 0xc0000006 error occurred. 6. Uninstall recent Windows update, S. 7. Reset Windows.